Hello there. If you had any sunshine today, I hope you made the most of it, because it will be turning noticeably cloudier, wetter and windier into the start of the new working week, thanks to Storm Debi that's going to be pushing its way in, significantly deepening overnight and into Monday. At the moment, though, it's currently going to track across Northern Ireland, parts of Northern England, so Scotland should escape the worst of the winds, but rainfall is a potential impact, particularly as this wraparound occluded front affects parts of east of the country. But during the rest of Sunday, we have a different area of rain to contend with at the moment, just steadily progressing its way northwards, generally turning lighter and patchier as it does move its way in. So certainly parts of the Northern Isles and parts of the Highlands more in the way of showers here. Later on in the night, though, we will start to see more rain from Storm Debi approaching parts of Dumfries and Galloway. With all the cloud and rain pushing its way in and the breeze beginning to strengthen, it's not going to be as chilly as we saw last night, where we dropped down to -4, -5 degrees Celsius, but still a patchy frost might form where those winds just stay light enough, and we do see a few clear spells holding on in some very sheltered rural glens and valleys, but most of our towns and cities will be on the positive side of 0 degrees Celsius. So still certainly a crisp start through Monday for some of us. As we move throughout the day, then the rainfall from Storm Debi will gradually push its way northwards, sweeping its way across the central belt and into other areas of the country. There is a yellow rain warning that has been issued for eastern parts of the country, parts of Angus, Aberdeenshire, where that rainfall could turn particularly persistent throughout the day. With those easterly winds swirling around the northern end of Storm Debi, that rainfall is going to be continuous over the course of Monday, with 30 to 50 millimetres of rain falling in the space of 12 hours. And considering the saturated ground that we've seen from other recent storm events, that is enough to cause some disruption and flooding in places, so please do take care over the course of the day. You might see some snow falling over the higher ground as well as that rain band pushes its way into the cooler air ahead of it. Quite breezy across northern areas, the Northern Isles, but generally the western side of Scotland should stay that bit drier, with more in the way of drier intervals as well. Temperatures holding up around 8 to 10 degrees Celsius, but where you are stuck underneath some of that most persistent cloud and rain, it is certainly going to be feeling quite a cool, cold day overall. Storm Debi will eventually clear its way off as we head into Monday evening, pushing off into the North Sea. It will take most of the rain with it, but there'll still be some dribs and drabs over the course of the evening for parts of the northeast later on. It'll be the west that holds on to some of the clearest skies, but it won't be too long before we start to see some showers moving in, and that's what we can expect throughout Tuesday as well. Some of these could be heavy with some hail and thunderstorms in the mixture. Generally, it will be the far northeast and Northern Isles that hold on to some of the driest spells throughout the day, and the best chance of seeing some sunshine as well. A lot of us, it will be turning cloudy once again with those showers pushing their way in. Temperatures just again a couple of degrees down, maybe around 8 to 9 degrees Celsius, so a cool day once again underneath all that cloud. Do stay up to date with the forecast, because it is going to remain unsettled as we head throughout the second half of the week as well. So subscribe to the YouTube channel here, and we'll have all the latest when we're back with you again tomorrow. Bye bye.